Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome to a very special Christmas edition of my Acoustic Lounge. Hey, Christmas is a wonderful time of the year. There's lots of family, there's lots of friends, there's lots of food, and there's lots of great Christmas music. One of my very favorite songs during the holiday season is a song called I'll Be Home on Christmas Day, performed by Elvis Presley. This song was written by a gentleman named Michael Jarrett, and it appears on Elvis's 1971 album, The Wonderful World of Christmas, which coincidentally spent 4 weeks in the #1 position. If you want to learn a great Christmas song, stick around. We'll have a look at it right now. Okay, I'll Be Home on Christmas Day by Elvis Presley. This is a beautiful song. It only needs 3 chords to get through it, and they're all very, very easy chords. In addition, I use a capo on the 2nd fret, so if you want to play along with me, place your capo there. Also, if you want to play along with the album version, it too requires you to keep your capo on the 2nd fret. Let's have a closer look at these chords. First one is a D. You need to know a G major. And lastly, you need to know an A. That's it. Those 3 chords are going to get you all the way through this song. Let's take a few minutes now and look at the chord progression and a little bit of strumming. Okay, this is a nice, easy strumming song. It basically starts on the D chord. Here we go. To the G chord. Then to the A. Back to the D. On the hills of Georgia, across the plains of Tennessee, I've seen and I've done everything that a man can do, see. And that's it. Just basically repeats that chord progression and that pattern through the entire song. Very, very easy to do. Now, at the beginning there is a kind of a strumming introduction using the D chord and some variances of the D sus2 and the D sus4. Let's take a quick look at those, and you can add it in if you wish. It's not necessary, but I do. It's part of the song. Let's take a look at that now. Okay. Those chords in that strumming pattern right at the beginning of the song really adds to it. I find it really identifies the song. As soon as I hear that, I know that this is I'll Be Home on Christmas Day. It basically encompasses the D chord and all the variances to the D chord, which are a D sus2 and a D sus4. Now let's have a closer look at it. I'm not going to go into a whole lot of strumming technique and this, that, and the other about it. Practice it a few times and I know you'll get her down fairly easy. I'm going to try to slow it down for us here. So it basically starts on the D chord. Here we go. To the D sus4. To the D sus2. And then back to the D. You basically repeat that twice. Takes you right into the song. That's it. It's really very easy, but you will have to practice it a few times to get it down. Okay, so you know the routine. We're going to mic it up. I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beat Buddy by Singular Sound. Practice that a few times. Be ready to join me. From the hills of Georgia, across the plains of Tennessee, I've seen and I've done most everything that man can do. See, if I could only borrow one dream from yesterday, be on that train tomorrow, I'll be home on Christmas Day. Like so many times before, she left that candle burning. Oh, too many tears fell, my soul filled with yearning. If I had any sense at all, I'd just be on my way. Be on that train tomorrow, I'll be home on Christmas Day. Every time I think about her, all the love I left behind, memories still linger in my troubled mind. I could set aside my pride, and I'd be on my way. I'd catch a train tomorrow, I'll be home on Christmas Day. If I had any sense at all, I'd just be on my way. I'd catch a train tomorrow, I'll be home on Christmas Day. I said I'd catch a train tomorrow, I'll be home on Christmas Day. And there you have it. I'll Be Home on Christmas Day, performed by Elvis Presley. I'd like to take a moment now and wish every one of you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I look forward to doing more videos in 2020. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing. I do truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.